to Anayris channel. So today we're gonna be doing my bed and then slime. Wait, it's one. Anyways, so we're gonna be doing my bed and then the slime. Remember the other day, we're gonna do the same thing, but guess what? It's gonna be different because I'm gonna be doing the bed and then the slime. So yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I should stop playing with slime and like go on. Even though it's like so sticky. But just so you know, we're gonna start using water. Anyways, I'm gonna start going. In 3, I'm gonna teleport in 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm crazy. And go to sleep like at 10. Cool. Put this there. So there's not like really much, but we can do it. I think goes right there. Goes right there, and then done. Done. Just like fix that. There we go. All done. Now, so why am I doing this? I'm in the middle of something. Everything's clean. Doors are open. There we go. There we go. Wait. Yeah, everything's clean. So now we're gonna head to the salon. So first, to make it sticky, need some water. Don't put that much if you want. No. Whoa. Oh. But guys, watch out. When you put this somewhere, it might stick. Look, it's already is activating. Ah! No, no. No, no. See what happens? Look at that.